Imagine this: every second, billions of cells in the human body are racing toward their own death, because a tiny section of DNA, invisible to any eye, is slowly disappearing. What if how fast you age, get sick, or even die is written on these microscopic clocks? Is youth actually locked inside your chromosomes? Scientists say it is, and the key was discovered by Nobel laureate Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn. Who is Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn? Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn is an acclaimed Australian-American molecular biologist who won the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 2009. She's internationally recognized for discovering the molecular nature of telomeres, the protective end caps of chromosomes, and for co-discovering the enzyme telomerase, which rebuilds these caps and keeps our DNA stable. Currently, she's a professor at UCSF and has authored major studies linking telomeres to aging, disease, and stress. So let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let's dive into the mystery of aging that happens inside every cell of our bodies. Imagine your DNA as a shoelace. At the ends are caps called telomeres, protecting vital genetic information from damage, just like the plastic tips keep your shoelaces from unraveling. Every time your cells divide, these telomeres get a fraction shorter, marking the countdown to old age at the microscopic level. Why do telomeres matter? When telomeres become extremely short, cells stop dividing and start malfunctioning, leading to tissue degeneration, organ failure, and age-related illnesses. Dr. Blackburn's research uncovered how people living with chronic stress, whether mothers caring for sick children or those impacted by trauma, have telomeres that shorten much faster. This isn't just about looking older, it's about cellular health, disease risk, and how quickly the body runs out of healthy dividing cells. Telomerase, the enzyme that rewinds the DNA clock. The enzyme that rewinds the DNA clock. Blackburn's key discovery. An enzyme called telomerase can actually replenish telomeres, helping cells divide for longer and potentially delay aging. But there's a twist. Too much telomerase can lead to unchecked cell growth, cancer. Too little, and the body cannot heal itself, leading to conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even some types of dementia. Lifestyle factors. Can you influence your telomeres? Blackburn's studies show that regular exercise, meditation, and stress reduction actively slow telomere shortening. Even just 15 minutes a day could make a difference at a cellular level. Poor sleep, emotional stress, and unhealthy eating habits accelerate telomere loss, making people biologically older than their age. Controversies and real limits. Dr. Blackburn warns against miracle anti-aging pills or creams that claim to lengthen telomeres. No scientific proof backs these claims. The only proven way to maintain telomere health is through lifestyle, not supplements. Scientists debate how much telomere length can really be stretched by lifestyle, but evidence overwhelmingly shows habits matter for cellular aging. So, while the secret to endless youth isn't found in a pill, it's in the habits shaped by Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn's research. By understanding telomeres, we're closer than ever to answering the deepest mysteries of aging, shining new light on how to live longer, healthier lives, even as our chromosomes quietly keep score.